Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to find Minecraft template in Clipchamp. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open the application and open a random project where you want to use the Minecraft template. Once you do all these things, take a look on the left side of your computer screen. Here you will see multiple options. From these, you have to select from the option template. Once you will click on it, all the templates will be expanded. The next thing is you have to find the Minecraft template. But you don't have to tap on this option, all templates, because all the templates will be shown if you tap on this option, and it will be hard to you to find a Minecraft template. So, in simple words, just scroll down a bit, and here you can see the option of Minecraft template. Just click on it. Once you will click on it, all the Minecraft template will be shown. Unfortunately, these are not too much. I think it will be useful for you. If you find it useful, then use it. And it was the way by which you can find these easily.